Whoa. Hey. Hold up a minute. You thought I was finished. I went to the label to get you the bag, then went independent. Then told all my niggas just how to get it. You go to the label to get to the bag, then go independent. Fuck all them niggas. Fuck all them niggas. I got that mouth to feed. I got independent. I gotta go get it. This shit is all mine. I got integrity. They tried to take mine. Fuck all your streams, fuck all your numbers. How many souls you touch? Blinding the blind, you tryna numbers, but you can't roll with us. I write the songs, I mix the songs, I did the vids too. Don't hit my phone, please leave me alone, bitch I don't need you. I swear to God, yeah, INDEPENDENT, that's me. I swear to God, fuck a hand down, pull the plan now. I swear to God, yeah, INDEPENDENT, that's me. I swear to God, fuck a hand down, this the plan now. Keeping my soul intact, nothing is wrong with that. You wanna throw the stack, I'd rather grow the stack. You tryna flex with the bitches, I'm tryna stack up the digits. But how you gon' spend your time? Trust me, it's none of my business. Niggas done did that, breaking it down like Kit Kat. Thinking the money is skipping they so I look and I watch and I sit back. Never been one to judge, never been one to fuss. But let me go out of my seas, look at them sprouting up. I'm going broke to wealthy, spirit and soul is healthy. Still keep my movement stealthy, speaking of real and they felt me. Say I would do and I did it, I gotta keep it committed. I gotta push all the limits, so I can go make it. I swear to God, yeah, INDEPENDENT, that's me. I swear to God, fuck a hand down, pull the plan now. I swear to God, yeah, INDEPENDENT, that's me. I swear to God, fuck a hand down, this the plan now.